having a great day. Welcome back to our Morning Brew playlist. And on today's video, I want to talk really quickly about a topic that I think could help a lot of people earn more clients and engage their followers more, which in turn means growing your business and making more money. So if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and keep watching. But what I've found over the last few months as I've tested this theory, this idea, is that it works really well for permanent makeup artists. And you really can't afford to go into 2020 without trying this for your business. If you do, you're gonna be left behind, and you're probably already starting to lose some clients to a competitor who might be implementing video into their business. So for permanent makeup artists, we're really familiar with like photos and before and afters and transformations. But what happens once everyone starts following a trend is there are millions and millions of posts on social media with before and after photos. And at some point, the customer loses interest, or they have a hard time separating and distinguishing who's great and what they're interested in. So they're just scrolling through Instagram, not compelled to stop. And one of the things you can do to stop that scroll and get their focus is to implement videos in your social media pages. By seeing a video that's something different than everyone else, and it gains their attention. It also helps Instagram and social platforms recognize your page more, and they will reward you for sharing videos more. So what that means is your content overall starts to get seen more than if you hadn't posted any videos. So that is reason enough for you to give it a try, right? So what we did was recently I started making more videos of our services, just kind of behind the scenes, maybe videos of before and afters instead of just pictures. And I will insert a little clip to show you kind of what some of those videos are doing right now compared to our regular engagement, but the difference has been amazing. I mean, I'm talking like 100%, maybe 500% increase in engagement and views. And not only that, the most important part, significant increase in booking. So we've sold out of products for our lash lift service. So we have like tripled our business in that way, just from the videos that we've shared in the last month. So I really would encourage you to try it. If you need some ideas on what to post, I have a couple. First of all, you can start using your Instagram stories. If you're not already doing that, you totally should. But it'll help people get to know you, and again, help you stand out from the crowd. So I would share some behind the scenes of you at work. All the boring stuff that you think is like not interesting is super interesting to your customers. So you working, maybe show yourself setting up for an appointment, something like that. On your main page, you can start showcasing videos of before and afters. You could also start doing video testimonials, which isn't as scary as it seems. It's pretty easy. You just ask the customer to get in front of your camera and leave their feedback, or to send you video feedback. And to help with that, you can offer them a reward, like a gift card, $10 off a service or something, to just kind of get them engaged. And you'd be surprised, a lot of them really would like to help you without much incentive. They just really want to help you out because they like you as an artist. So if you need more ideas on what to post and where to post it, I do actually have a brand new class for the month of September on our academy. So that online class is all about videography for microblading and permanent makeup artists, and how to use it to grow your business, from what kind of content to get, what equipment that you need, which just hint, you don't need a lot. And then kind of where to post it, how often to post it, everything you need to know basically to use the videos in your business step by step. So if that's interesting to you, I will include the link in the description box below. Feel free to comment or ask any questions. I'm curious to know if you use video in your business and how it's helped you, or if you have any requests or questions for tips, I can go ahead and answer those in the comments below. And I will see you guys in our next video.